folks, it's Rich here, the novice noisemaker, making more noise. Yes I am. For those who don't know me, I play out-of-tune guitars and make noise. That's kind of it really. Anyway, thank you to Tom at Tom's Guitar Shack. Hey Tom, we have another pedal. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. King of Blues, Tone City, Engine B and Engine A. Yeah. You've got a gain, a volume and a tone for each of your engines. And we've got a guitar, Harley Benton. SC Deluxe Gotoh. Turn the volume down a little bit. We're making a lot of noise today, hence the novice noisemaker. Right, so what we're going to do here is let's have the volumes on about a quarter, gained at 12 o'clock, and we'll have engine A to start with. Oh, that's not loud enough, is it? Let's have a bit more volume actually. Let's have it on about number 7 on the guitar. Still not very loud. Let's turn it up a bit more. Look it. Excuse language. Of delay, as Elmo Kylie Lolly and Arjun like to say. I've got a little bit of delay in the loop, but that's how I like it. I was always a reverb man, really. Still am, but delay has grown on me. Right, A, B. A back on. Designed by J1. Back to B. Right, let's put the gain on max on the B engine. Turn the volume down on the guitar a little bit. Back to engine A, and let's max out the gain on that bad boy. Right, I'm going to turn the... Got both terrible playing. Like I'm a terrible player, that's the way it is. Loving the sound of this. The king of blues. I am certainly not. But yeah. So you've got kind of bitey and then extra bitey and add them together and you've got really bitey. And actually it's not that noisy as either in terms of, I don't know, feedback or whistling or whatever it is that makes the pedals a bit noisy. Yeah. We're liking it. King of blues! Not me, the pedal.